What's going on, guys? So we're just getting back in from an amazing week out in Italy. I went to hang out with my brother Tony Abagnato and his brother Chris Abagnato, and they put on an amazing master's class training for their pigment. It's actually called Pigmenta. So we had the whole team together. We had representatives from Korea, Portugal, Lithuania, Sweden. It was absolutely amazing. Got to hang out in Naples, Italy, which is such an incredibly beautiful place to visit. And now we are back here at the motherland. And today we got an old client of mine. I did his procedure 3 years ago. He's coming in from Santo Domingo and he's gonna be getting a touch-up. So that's what we're gonna be working with today. Follow me, fellas. No, what fellas? why am I?
Hey, what's up, bro?
Mira,
lo mejor de New York. Lo mejor de New York.
What's up, papá?
Lo estoy diciendo, lo mejor en la simulación capilar, mi hermano.
Muchas gracias, bro.
Yeah.
Tú viniste
la
con
mejor
más flow, bro. Échatelo, gente.
No, tú sabes que nunca se puede pedir el flow ni la
Diablo, mira.
Y después que me pusiste Brown New, mucho menos, bro.
Let me see what we got here. Está bueno, so vamos a
yo
hoy,
solamente vine a hacerme un retoque.
Vamos a hacer trabajo,
ya
bro.
Después de 2 años, esto sigue como nuevo, bro. Mi nombre es Wilmer y soy de República Dominicana. Bueno, yo comencé a perder el cabello ya como aproximadamente de los 20 años, cuando ingresé a la policía, por cierto. O sea, creo que fue producto del entrenamiento, la física y eso. Ya ahí comencé como a notar la pérdida de cabello un poquito más. No, me sentía un poquito, ¿sabes? Uno joven se siente un poquito extraño en realidad perder el cabello, porque uno piensa que solamente las personas ya cuando están bien adultas es que pierden el cabello, pero sí, como que uno se sentía un poquito, no sé, con el autoestima un poquito baja en cuanto a eso. Tenía mucho tiempo haciéndole seguimiento y viendo el buen trabajo que hace, y sin duda te digo que la simulación capilar tiene un nombre y se llama Scalp Solution.
We're not gonna dilute it much. So here we got 1/2 milliliter of pigment, and we got 1 full milliliter of distilled water. We're gonna give it some nice little love taps, all right? Because we're just trying to accent what he already has. We're not trying to make it incredibly darker, because if we do that, then we're gonna give the illusion of a botched job. Botched meaning it looks migrated. It looks like I took a highlighter and just painted it on. We don't want to do that. We want a nice, seamless, natural transition. I like to say you gotta kiss the scalp, not make out. Don't be a savage.
Ya no sabes lo que pasa. Lo que manda aquí la clave. Este ritmo guaguancó. Esto es lo que existe.
You know they got the Balenciagas. These are the Scalp Lucianciagas. For sale, psych. 101s, baby. Yo le digo, un poquito. Y tú ves que yo hace, they come to me all the time. They used to be like, hey, you speak it Spanish? And I would go, you know, of course I speak Spanish. But to mess with them, I would hit them in the head. I would go, un poquito. They'll be like, no way, we good, bro. We don't want to get lost in New York City. Un poquito. Just going through it, making sure everything is even. Alright, mira. Ok, mi hermano. Vamos a ver. Let's see what we got here.
Wow. Buen trabajo, hermano.
Good.
Very good. Good job, man.
Thank you, sir. All right, so what we did was we went in on the hairline, brought that out some. All right, we came in, we sprinkled just a little bit here because he still got some hair there, so couldn't go just as dense as we did on the hairline, because then this would have popped out too much. And then we went into the crown area and filled him in. So he's not necessarily a Norwood 7 where all of this is completely gone, but you know, he's starting to experience those I wouldn't say it's the beginning phases, because he came to me 3 years ago. I took some of it and blended it into here. So he said he likes to wear his hair like this, and sometimes he likes to rock a high fade. So we blended it all.
Solamente tengo que decir que esta es la solución aquí. Scalp Solution. La verdad. No, aquí no se improvisa, no se anda improvisando. Y la micropigmentación capilar, la simulación capilar tiene un nombre y es Scalp Solution. Lo más duro aquí en mi
I'm gonna hire this guy. I'm gonna hire full time.